Okay. If I don't move, the camera won't fall. Oh my gosh. It's still not high enough. It's still not, oh wait. Okay, it's still not high enough. Let me just put this. This is not freaking working. No wonder I stopped being a YouTuber. Okay, I think that's okay. I think that's okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So, what's up, guys? Long time no see, right? I know. Anyways, today is a sponsorship with Just for Men. Love you guys. Thank you so much for reaching out. I truly appreciate it. Just kidding. As you may or may not know, the app TikTok is taking over the world. So, my eyebrows are very light, so I wanted to try this because I've been seeing a lot. Dude, my teeth look so good. Besides the fact they're really crooked, they're so white. Anyways, I'm gonna be dyeing my eyebrows, so let's get started. I don't have Vaseline, so I'm gonna be using this face cream, which is like kind of the same thing. Actually, it might not be the same thing at all. I'm just gonna do this. So, how have you guys been? Good? Good to hear. Okay, I have work tomorrow morning, so if this comes out horrible, no big deal. Because you know what? Life is all about taking a risk. Sometimes you just have to be willing to take risks for the greater good. What is the good, you ask me? I don't know, but what I do know
is that I had a 30% coupon for CVS. Girl, you know I was about to go get this.
It went from 11 to 8, and that's what I call it. Okay, anyways, shut up. Here we go. We're gonna start mixing it up. What you need: timer, clock, or watch. Old shirt. Oh, old towels to cover counters to protect against stains. Girl, what you be doing with this? Damp paper towel to wipe skin if hair color gets on it. Shampoo. Dude, this is a lot. Basically, you just are going to... I'm so scared. I'm just putting a little bit. I think that's like a good amount. Then I'm going to get the other piece of it. I think that's okay, right? I don't know.
Gonna mix it all together and you know it's the best of both worlds.
I keep forgetting to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm mixing it around. It smells funky. That's right. Okay, let me just do a little of that and do a little of this.
I just be putting this on like Anastasia.
I mixed way too much stuff. Oh my god, my cat scared me. I'm scared. That's okay. Why isn't this side turning as dark as the other side? I don't know.
Whatever.
This is how they came out. I really like them. I feel like it's just like a little difference. I honestly like this one better. I kind of want to do this one again. I don't know if that's against the rules.
I never follow the rules anyways.
I love that eyebrow. Just that 50-cent extra ranch on the side, you know? Watch my eyebrows fall out. I love them. Now I have to show everybody. They're only like a little bit darker. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 4:30 a.m. sharp. Good morning. I slept with my contacts in. It's 4:55 in the AM. We're gonna get this party started. Honestly, I've never ever been a morning person. So I hate waking up this early. Sometimes I even feel nauseous. My body is telling me, hey girl, we ain't doing it. I'm kind of getting used to it. I don't think you can ever really get used to it, but it's not that bad. This new job is it's something else, you know? It's really cool. Besides the fact that I can't just call off whenever I want to, and I have to wake up really early, and I have to drive 30 minutes. Oh my gosh, I cannot get over the eyebrows. I feel like as long as you have eyebrows and mascara, you're good. And blush, that's like my go-to look. I don't know where I'm gonna be at work, but they were like scaring me because they were like,
Oh yeah, even if you wear waterproof mascara, it's gonna get all over your face.
because like in the freezer, frost accumulates on your eyelashes. So when it melts, it's all like, you know, watery. I wore mascara the other day because I didn't know that I was gonna be in there, and then they're like, oh.
Get your butt in there.
And they were fine. But I think it's only for girls who put the mascara on the bottom lashes, which I never do because it's just not part of my religion practices. I don't really like this spoolie because I feel like it doesn't really lift my hairs the way I want them to. I just started using this one and I do not like it, but I use it every day still. Now we're gonna finish up the look. Shall we add some blush? I think we shall.
I love blush.
Catch up with y'all later.